Can you buy or sell a home in Las Vegas without losing thousands of dollars on the bottom line? Great question. Buying or selling a home is a big financial decision, and it's important to have the right professional on your side. Hi, I'm Monica with eXp Realty, and I specialize in helping my clients get the most out of their real estate investments. It's true that there are companies out there offering to buy or sell your home without the help of an experienced realtor, but I strongly advise against going that route. Without the knowledge and expertise of a seasoned real estate professional, you can end up losing thousands of dollars on your bottom line. That's why I always recommend working with a realtor who knows the market inside and out. And when it comes to choosing a realtor, you want someone who specializes in the type of property you're looking to buy or sell. Just like you wouldn't go to a podiatrist for a broken hip, you don't want to hire a generalist when it comes to your real estate needs. But it's not just about having a good realtor. It's also about having a skilled negotiator on your side. Buying or selling a home often involves a lot of negotiation, and you want someone who knows how to get you the best deal possible. And if you're selling your home, you definitely don't want to work with an agent whose only card is to reduce their commission because they lack negotiation experience. If they can't negotiate on their behalf, then they can't negotiate on your behalf either. That could end up costing you thousands of dollars in the end. So if you want to buy or sell a home in Las Vegas without losing thousands of dollars on your bottom line, be sure to hire an experienced realtor who specializes in the type of property you're dealing with. And don't forget to look for someone who knows how to negotiate on your behalf. As for me, I'm Monica with eXp Realty, and I have the expertise and experience to help you get the most out of your real estate investment. So why not give me a call today and let's get started.